I know what Google Maps says, but let's see. We're gonna drive over to Disney Springs from Flamingo Crossings, and it's lunchtime. We're gonna see how long it actually takes and what it actually looks like. Disney Springs, orange parking. We go to orange.
Exit the parking lot for Flamingo Crossings Boulevard, Hartsick Road. At the next light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
Gotcha. There's Donald. There's Minnie. There's Mickey. Walt Disney World, the most magical place on earth. Looks like we're getting a couple raindrops. 94 degrees out, and the rain's a little early. What is that, 20 minutes on the left? 16 minutes. Depends on traffic. Traffic won't be too bad during midday. Going to Disney Springs, like I said, it's usually never terrible. It can get pretty busy between 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock going. And then obviously at night, 7, 8, 9 o'clock leaving to 11 o'clock, it gets pretty busy exiting, coming back to wherever your hotel is. Going midday on a Wednesday, not too bad. Traffic's not too bad. Signs. Okay, there we go. Okay. There's the signs. Surface parking to the left. Parking out in the sun. It's real close to Cirque du Soleil and CityWorks. We're going to get orange parking.
Take the exit toward Orange Garage.
And then if you go on up further, you can get in line parking on the left. Or Grapefruit, which is on the right. You really don't want to park there. Not until you have to, because you have to walk across the street over the land bridge. You got to walk the furthest. And there's no reason to park there now, this early. I think they make most of the cast members park there. It's the furthest away. You have to go across 2 land bridges. See up there actually. See one of the land bridges. We're going to park in orange. We're going to end up on the 3rd floor here. And I've given this tip before, but in orange, we want to be down on the 2nd level. This takes you directly to the 3rd. So we're going to go down 1 level so that when we walk, we'll go straight out into Disney Springs. You can park here, you can go up, you can go down. You just have to either walk down the stairs or up the stairs, because you have to get on the 2nd level to go through security. We don't want to take that first right. That's exit only. See that exit? That'll take us back out onto the road. But you see this next one? And what you'll find, so here's level 1 and 2 and exit. We're going to go to level 2. What you'll find is most people just end up defaulting to parking here, or they'll go up. At night, when it's already packed, you'll find, see level 2, 501 spaces, you'll find that this has more spaces open. That's a great tip. And the good thing about orange is you can enter Disney Springs with 2 security checkpoints, one on the left and one on the right, not in the middle of the parking garage. And so you can walk into Disney Springs on either side, left or right. Let's see what time it is. Alright, and then 18 minutes. Okay, we just got parked, and we're level 2, orange. You can go in on that side, way over there. We'll walk straight into Disney Springs. Here's security. This is not on every floor, this is only on the 2nd level. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna go through security. They're gonna make me turn this off. They don't let you video it, and then I'll show us going in. Lime garage, which is one further than we went. It's right beside us over there. When you park there, there's only you can only go in the middle. There's not 2 entrances. Only this, only orange has these 2, one on the left and one on the right, identical one on the other side. I'm about to turn this off, and then I'll turn it on as we go in. Okay, just made it through security. It's real simple. Just walk straight through, and now we're at Disney Springs, walking in. So that's why you want to be on the 2nd level. Actually, just so you know, Lime just has elevators, but Lime, it does have escalators. If you don't like stairs, Lime has the escalator where you can just ride up. And we're here, inside. Made it. Inside Disney Springs. We'll go eat lunch. The other side of orange has escalators. The side I came in on is just stairs. Lime and this side of orange have escalators. You might like that better. Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.